So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see the major show? Say yeah. All right, I think somebody fell up there. Yeah, I saw it. The only person with the mic saw you fall. So sorry. So let's check out the rules. Rule number one, if you see something you can't do, we need you to make a lot of noise and clap your hands like this. Come on, make some noise.
All right, now rule number two is
Number two.
when we say cosmic, you say riot.
Cosmic. Cosmic.
All
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a good time. Let's have some fun. Come on, make some noise for the amazing honey. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for us one time. All right, we're gonna keep the show moving and grooving.
We need 2 volunteers.
We need 2 volunteers.
Anybody?
I think I found one.
Okay.
What's up?
Hey, we got one.
We got one. We need another one. Come on down.
Oh, yes.
Stand right here, don't move, okay? You're already sweating. You scared? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, make some noise for this one as well.
Yes.
Stand right here. Okay.
You good?
You good?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, let me introduce them really quick. What's your name and where are you from?
Bailey, I'm from California.
Bailey from California. Make some noise for her. And what's your name? Where are you from?
Sahara, and I'm from Chicago.
Make some noise from Zahara from Chicago. Let's go. All right, what's going to happen is Mouse is going to run all the way from over here, run and fly over these 2 human beings and land safely on their other side. And you guys are going to make so much noise once he lands, okay? Yes? All right. You good?
No, I'm not good.
What's up?
I need one more person.
Oh, one more person. Okay, we got him. Gotta set that drink down though. There we go.
What am I doing?
All right, and we're gonna count down from 5 all the way to 1. After Mouse lands, we make as much noise as we can. Okay?
Oh. I didn't know they were getting doggy style.
There we go.
Bill had me.
All right, here we go, y'all. We're gonna count down all the way to 5. Let's clap those hands, everybody, and clap, clap. everybody? Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woo! Let's go. Make some noise for Mouse and make some noise for these volunteers. You can stand up. Don't go anywhere. Do you guys think they did a great job? Do you think they deserve a prize? Make some noise. You guys are going to go home with a one-of-a-kind postcard of Cosmic Riot so you never forget the time that we embarrassed you. Yay! You guys can go back to your seats. Thank you very much.
You guys are amazing. All right, check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to keep the show moving and grooving. And now we're just going to ask you for one more favor. Okay? Whatever we say, y'all got to do, okay? So let's do it the right way. Right. Now clap your hands to the beat, come on. Just clap your hands to the beat, come on. Just clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands to the beat, y'all.
Just clap your hands to the beat, y'all. Just clap your hands to the beat, y'all. Just clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands to the beat, y'all.
Now, when we count to 3, we need everybody to scream. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are hype. Are you ready to see our final performance? Say yeah. This is one of our favorite shows because at the end of this production right here, we do a dangerous trick called the death drop. If I miss her, y'all know the rest. Y'all gonna call the ambulance, okay?
Better catch
Ready?
me.
I'm gonna catch you. I got your back like a bronze strap. All right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we get to that, Honey and I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time out to watch us dance. It really means a lot to us. You could have been anywhere else on the ship, but you decided to be here with us and the rest of us in the back, and we really do appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you guys. Make some noise for that. We couldn't do this without you guys.
Exactly. This is our passion. And our purpose is to create good vibes, positive energy, and we hope we made everyone else feel that here today. If we did, make some noise for us. We did our job.
And if you guys could just do us one more favor.
One more favor.
If you got any pictures or videos of us, you can please tag us on our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Cosmic Riot ENT. Or you can visit our website at www.cosmicriotent.com. Let's go.
That sounds good. That sounds good. All right, so the final performance, y'all ready? Say yeah. All right, honey, you know what to do.
When we say Cosmic, you say Riot. Cosmic! Cosmic! All right.
The Amazing Honey, check it.
Keep those hands going. Let's go.
Make some noise for the Amazing Honey. Check this out. Many years of practice, skills, doing the trick on a rocky boat, the Scorpion. Make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, the death drop. Ladies and gentlemen, if you had a good time with us, say yeah. Listen, since you had such a great time with us, we will be here every night of the week on your cruise for sure. So come back, tell people about us. This is a good time. It's gonna be amazing. And just so you don't forget, please follow us and tag us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. We love to see how we look on stage and we love to get the feedback. So, this is the Amazing Honey.
This is Mouse Mercury.
And together we are Cosmic Riot. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys are awesome.
Thank you. God bless you. Have a good night.
Peace.